Welcome. This is your own Deepak Kumar, and I am super excited, super energetic, super enthusiastic while talking to you on this QCA topic, which is describe a prize you have won. And there are some cross questions, there are some hints, basically bullet points, what it was, means what was the prize, what you had to do to win it, how many other competitors you were, and explain how you felt after winning it. So here's my take. Prize is something that makes you feel you are worthy, that acknowledges your contribution, acknowledges your efforts, your hustle, your the kind of diligence you pay for something. And when you get something in return, maybe a prize, maybe a certificate, maybe a medal, or maybe some cash prize, obviously it boosts your energy level, it increases your self-confidence, self-worth. So I have achieved countless prizes in my life as a teacher, as a student in my school, college days. And here I would like to speak about an example when I got a prize from university, from an engineering college come university where I was teaching for a year. So what happened actually, in the year 2011, I was given a subject to teach to engineering students, final year engineering students. And this was the subject which was notoriously well known for giving compartments and supplementaries to students. So I was assigned to teach that subject, that particular subject, to engineering students. And somehow, with due diligence and by respecting the students and by making the subject interactive, interesting, and in my passionate and enthusiastic style, I taught to my students. And fortunately, after the semester, when my students went for examination, there were 60 plus students in that particular section of engineering, mechanical engineering particularly. Each one of them qualified that exam, and my result was 100%. So that year, when the annual day was celebrated in that college, the managing director of that college or that university acknowledged my appreciation and my contribution. And there were around 23 staff members at that time. So I was the only guy who was selected to appreciate or to give that recognition or prize or accolades. And if I speak about how did I feel after that, I felt like an achiever, because that was the achievement which came to me not because of my efforts, but that was a team effort. All of my students, they paid their sincere, most highest optimum level of obsession and contribution. Each of the student did his best, and just because of all of our cumulative efforts, we became the winners, achievers, and the masters, game changers. So that was the experience that I love the most, I recognize the most. It reminds me like I am a team player and I can help people, I can facilitate students to bring their best performances. So all in all, I would say this and the price was 1100 cash prize. I got 1100 rupees from the authorities, from the college management, and it was really a big contribution and a big motivation booster for me. So thank you so much for being with me. And if you want me to speak on any of the YouTube, any of the recent QCA topics, you are more than welcome to put a comment below any of my YouTube videos. And if you are seeking for an online IELTS teacher who is passionate, dedicated, full of energy and full of enthusiasm, you are more than welcome to come to me for listening, reading, writing, speaking, all modules help. Or you can come to me for individual modules or dual modules like writing, speaking, or reading, writing. I promise you the help that you will receive from me is going to be very worthy, is going to be very productive, and the ways that I teach to students are very result oriented. So thank you so much. For any kind of IELTS coaching inquiries, you can come up to me through my WhatsApp number. It's 9996605415. Thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay blessed.